Okay, so Pat is asking, how long should I study before I take the NCLEX exam? And if I'm interested, should I actually apply right now, even if I haven't started studying? Jean?
Yes, you can apply now, and then because the process will take long, like Texas or Illinois board, it takes like 5 to 6 months to have you get approved. And in New York right now, there's a lot of applications that were lodged in New York Board of Nursing, so that's why the approval is kind of late now. It will take like probably 8 to 9 months to have an approval. So when right now, if you have not started yet, it is high time that you can start the application, and then you can study as soon as possible, like tomorrow or next day. You can start studying by your own. So and yes, that's it.
Okay. So
In
Jean,
addition to that,
sorry, Rochelle, did you have something to add?
yeah, I'd like to add into that as well. So definitely the right thing that should be done by the nurse is to first apply for the NCLEX, because as what Jean said, it takes time for it to be approved. And then the moment that you are already approved, then you can say to yourself that you are already ready, provided that you have already started reviewing. And for us in IPAS, we have the online NCLEX review program as well. So wherein we also have the sponsored candidates of Connetics for their NCLEX sponsorship program. So you basically have to start with your NCLEX first, and then you can already start studying, or you can enroll to a certain review center for your online review program, so that the moment that you are already approved for the NCLEX, then you can already sit for the NCLEX as well.
Okay, so this is very important, everybody who's watching. If you have not started this process, then it's important to start the application for the NCLEX, because what some people do is they will start studying, and then when they're kind of getting towards the end of their studying program, then they apply for the NCLEX. But as both Jean and Rochelle has said, the waiting time to get the ATT, the authorization to test, is taking longer and longer as many more people come on board and try and write the NCLEX exam. So start that process when you actually start your study program. In December, we're going to be doing a show on how to prepare for the NCLEX exam, so more on the studying part of it. So keep watching and check out the Onwards and Upwards show. We do this every Friday, and in December, we will do a show more on actually the specifics of how to prepare and more like the clinical study piece. Today, we're talking more about the application.